All right. Good morning, everybody. So today we're gonna talk about a section called tutorial. It is very useful section where you have a lot of tutorial. You know what tutorial is, right? Tutorial is sort of teaching video. So all the websites, all the applications, everything, like almost everything, has its own tutorial. So the need for tutorial came from too many asked questions. Okay, when people have a lot of questions, the developers or app makers, they come up with tutorials to explain them very basic things. So we have the same thing on scratch.mit.edu. The way your tutorials show up on your Scratch is when you create a new project. So can you please click on create, make a new project, name it with your first name. All right. So we're gonna fill out this empty spot. We delete the untitled and then put your first name and then today's date, which is January 25th. Okay. That's the very first thing we do. Please make it a habit because you're not renaming things properly. It's gonna be hard to find it later. So please name it correctly. Next thing is if you look over here next to shared, what do you guys see here? See project page, right? Next to see project page, what do you see, guys, here? Yes, what do you say? Who's gonna tell me? Tutorials, exactly. When you click on tutorials, you have a lot of them. So let's count how many. I'm gonna count the columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. So 4 times 7, 28 minus 2, 26 tutorials. Okay, we have 26 tutorials. If you look, some of them are very simple things. For instance, we've done this one. You see, use arrow keys. We've done it, if you remember. But you have tutorial of that. Or you can add effects. You can make it spin. Or we can also have add background, a backdrop, change side, and etc. So if there's something that you're not able to do, first go and check on the tutorials. It is good. It is very practical. Now, what we're gonna do today is it's called the assignment called animate a name. You are going to animate your first name. Not you can do full name, but I'm expecting just one name, first name. Okay. So let's see how it works. Daniel. When you click on the tutorial, this little window is your tutorial, guys. It is going to guide you through the assignment process. You don't have to watch the very first page. See? It
You
just
can use
shows.
Scratch to animate a name and bring it to life. Make the letters change color, spin, grow, or interact however you'd like. To get
Okay? So that's the introduction part. Now, which part you're going to start building is when you have to click on this arrow, it's going to take to step number 2, where you actually ask it to do things. For instance, you see it says, click on cat. It's just animation which is looped. It's constantly repeating and repeating and repeating. Okay, so you see, it's constantly showing you. Click on cat, locate the letters, and then just add the first first letter of your name. So I'm gonna start doing it. So I'm gonna go to sprites, look up, choose a sprite, go to letters. Here, letters. You see the letters, and then find the letters of your first name. Mine are Rustam. So I'll have the Rustam. Yeah, you can delete the cat. You put the Rustam, and then you just keep adding all the letters. So I'll add the first 2 for the sake of saving time. Okay, I have R and U. All right. Now, this was step number 2, right? Now proceed to step number 3. It says play a sound when clicked. So you can add a sound. So as you remember, you see this block. What color is this block? What color is it? Is it yellow or is it orange? It's yellow, right? So you want to check, actually kind of close to orange, but yeah, yellow. So you want to check this block under the yellow circle here. And then it says when the sprite clicked. And then what color is this? Play sound. What color is it? Purple. So you're going to check on the purple. And then it says, you see exactly the same block. Play sound, meow when clicked. Now, which sprite is it? The U. So I'm going to click on U. Makes a meow sound. Okay. Now you add another one. And then just keep adding the animations. Please go through all the steps here and then just try to complete it. For example, here it says change color. Now I'm going to change color for R. So for R again, I'm going to use, when this sprite clicked, what color is this? It's blue, right? So you're going to go here, find change color. And just put some numbers. Into, let's say 50. So every time you click on R, it's going to change the color, you see? So we basically animating our name. And then you proceed to the next. And then you add this blocks to make it rotate. You proceed to the next one and you add this blocks to make it do something else. And then the last one, give you options. If you want to add a backdrop or you want to add, you want to make some of your glide, but don't make it glide, just add the backdrop. Any questions? Easy. Okay, follow the tutorial, completed. Now, Robin,